you're charged with a DUI in Dawsonville, the very first thing you should do is just take a deep breath, okay? Most people who get charged with a DUI have never been charged with anything before in their entire life, and they've gone through a very traumatic experience. You know, you've been pulled out of your car, you may have been arrested in front of family members or friends, you're taken to a jail cell, you're treated as a common criminal, and it's traumatic. The first thing to do is just take a deep breath, okay? The second thing you need to do is reach out to a competent Dawsonville criminal defense DUI lawyer and get that person on the phone, tell them what's happened to you, and get a feel for that lawyer and see if that lawyer and you mesh, see if you get along, see if you feel like you can trust that lawyer. And then you simply turn the matter over to that lawyer and say, I'm taking my hands off the wheel, this is yours, and let them do what it is that they do. If you don't have the right lawyer and you're charged with a DUI in Dawsonville, this is one of the most common calls we get are people who hired a lawyer, maybe because somebody referred that lawyer, and usually it's people who just didn't have the right feeling about the lawyer right from the start, and they didn't listen to themselves and they hired him anyway. And they're now way down the road many months later and they're feeling unsafe, and they're feeling like they don't have somebody in their corner. So the main reason you hire the right lawyer from the beginning is so you don't end up in that boat, so that you feel from the very start that you have somebody who's an advocate for you, somebody who's going to make your arguments first to that prosecutor and then to a jury if necessary, and end up hopefully with your vindication for the fact that you were not in fact driving drunk or under the influence of a substance. People ask us all the time, how much does a DUI cost? How much does it cost to hire you? Things like that. And I always tell them, the first thing you need to be thinking about is, how much would it cost me if I lost this case and got convicted of a DUI? Because a DUI conviction has tremendous financial and other costs on you. Number one, you're going to be paying fines well above $1,000 and probably climbing up to $2,000, $3,000 through probation. Number two, you're going to have a conviction that's going to be on your record for the rest of your natural life. That's a massive burden to carry. Number three, the insurance ramifications, the increased premiums that you'll be paying. Number four, employment. There are many employers who will not hire you with a DUI conviction because you have to drive for that employment. Okay? Number five, you may be applying for a job or even trying to get into a school, and they find out you have a DUI conviction and they say no. These are massive costs and they follow you for life. That's what you need to be thinking about, and that's probably why you're looking at this video, because you are thinking about those things.